Hey guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all your communication technology needs. Today we'll be teaching you how to install and log into HostX Collaborate. HostX Collaborate is an extension of the HostX cloud telephone system, which offers video conferencing and instant messaging capabilities, allowing you to interact with your customers and colleagues effectively, whether you're working at home or in the office. For more information on the HostX cloud telephone system, there'll be a link in the description below, which will give you more information on HostX and all the great features it can offer you. When your account is set up, you should receive two emails. One email for the installation of the software, and another email which should have your password. To install, please open the email which should be titled, Collaborate has been enabled. Once open, the email should contain your username. Please make a note of that, and it will give you two options to download the HostX Collaborate client for either Windows or Mac. Choose the one you're using. That should start a download for the client software. Once downloaded, open the file which should open up an installation wizard, click next all the way through, and it should install. So you've downloaded the software and it has installed perfectly. But now you're wondering, how do I log in? Let me show you how. So remember when you received two emails when the account was first set up? If you now open up the second email, which includes your password, and it should look something like this. Copy the password, making sure there are no spaces before or after the password. And then open up HostX Collaborate. Once open, please enter the username which you received on the installation email into the username field. And then in the password field, paste the password. Here's a little tip. Please tick the remember password box so you do not have to enter that long password again. And also if you want to sign in automatically, please tick sign in automatically and press sign in and it should log in. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and make sure you give this video a huge like. And if you have any further questions, please make sure to check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Guys, have a great evening and remember, we are the business communication experts.